Hi, I'm Emily Conley, and in this video I'm going to teach you using light bulbs on your webcam modeling shows. It may be necessary to add additional cooler or warmer support lights to match the white balanced tones of your webcam show. This depends on the warmth of the bulbs and the color of the reflector. Warm lights have a yellow tint, and cool lights a more bluish color. It is possible for you to change the atmosphere of your stage by changing the type of light you are using. The intensity of light is one of the most important aspects of lighting, much more important than reflectors and other equipment. If you want to save money, including your electricity bill, you should use LED fluorescent bulbs. You must be very careful not to break fluorescent bulbs that are rolled up. These contain mercury. Mercury is a neurotoxin. In case you break it by mistake, dispose of it immediately and go to space where it broke. The way colors are displayed on a computer screen is affected by the temperature of the bulb. Cooler lights have a higher K than warm ones. The standard temperature for white bulbs in photo kits is 5000 K, 5500 K. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our free webcam modeling mini course by visiting our website www.modelingclub.webcam.